The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Clackamas County in northwestern Oregon until 5:45 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Timothy Lake, or 11 miles south of Government Camp, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicator. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and tactics include Timothy Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If outside, try to move inside to a structure or a vehicle.
Disproportionately criminalized